Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Haka jingkren bat ka Batisi TV, UMLA jong kasang Kongres, uzanet sangma ula kentho halor ka jingthong, CMD HMEECL, the officer bampat daslam hakakam. Haka bedai baga jing aika miki company banabar, kata na Mumbai ba Delhi, uzanet sangma ula ong baga dai ka jingle sop bat jingle Shiliang. Haka ba nyo pau na kasispa la ai shikini ki company ki banabar, kat ba tang lai pau na kasispa la ai shiki kontraktor ki ba nakani ka jilla.
निर्भर भारत अभियान स्कीम now the question is the company going to get benefit out of this, and if the company is not getting benefit out of this, then who is getting benefit? The question arises. The lenders who are lending that loan, they are benefited because they are getting back their money with interest, and the central PSUs like NIPCO, NTPC, OTPC, they will be benefited because they are getting their dues cleared.